Hey folks, this is Manuel from Steadybit. In this video, I want to show you a quick overview of our HTTP check, which is really powerful to check your system and to validate that it is working as expected. Once you are in our reliability hub, you can filter for all the checks that we have available, and you can see that we support integrations into your observability tools, but also have the HTTP extension in here. Once you're opening it up, you can see that the HTTP extension allows you two things, basically checking an HTTP endpoint, no matter whether it's an internal or external one, either periodically with a given frequency or with a fixed amount of calls. Once I've installed this extension in my system, I'm able to use it in the Steadybit experiment editor, where I can easily drag and drop it and can now specify the HTTP endpoint I want to check and also my expectation of the success criteria. Like in this example, where I've specified an HTTP endpoint should be available for the entire duration of the experiment. When I'm running the experiment or checking out the past execution, I can see that in the run view, I'm actually able to see the HTTP responses which are coming in, and I can easily spot errors or failures as soon as they're happening. So whenever you're using Steadybit, make sure to also install this extension because it's really powerful and a good way to check your system state. You can simply do that by using our Helm chart whenever you're using Kubernetes, or for instance, use our Linux package for non-Kubernetes based environments. And also the HTTP check goes hand in hand with other useful extensions in Kubernetes clusters like container host and Kubernetes extension. So thanks for watching, check it out and take care.